Arthritis and Rheumatism Association of Malta for a better life.
With the ever increase of people with arthritic conditions, an association was felt to be organised. It was the initiative of a group of people that the association was then established. Professor Carmel Malia, consultant physician and rheumatologist, was the first to introduce the specialisation rheumatology in Malta in the year 1987. Thanks to him that we now have a specialised rheumatology clinic. First at St. Luke's Hospital, now at Mater Dei, with specialised consultant rheumatologists and a specialised nurse in rheumatology. On the 14th August 2007, the group who took the initiative came together. Professor Carmen Malia, consultant rheumatologist, Mrs. Doris Aquilina, rheumatologist nurse specialist, and Mr. Carlo Calleja, physiotherapist, who was a representative of PAR, a European organisation for people with rheumatism and arthritis. Strong support from the initial stages was given by Wyatt Pharmaceutical Company through the representatives Mrs. Liliana Mifsud and Mrs. Lisa Zammit Montebello. The committee was chosen with the idea of developing a patient association. The name of the association was called Arthritis and Rheumatism Association for a Better Life. World Arthritis Day of 2007 marked its birth. It was officially launched on that day by the Minister of Health at the time, Dr. Luis de Guara. The association started off with 11 members in the committee. However, now the committee stands with 7 members. At the moment, the association has 250 paid members registered. Although registered, we have around 600 members. The work of the committee is never-ending. The committee meets every month. Its goal is to support its members and bring more awareness to the public on education on arthritis and rheumatism. Educational programs are held monthly for the members. This is the main concern for the association and for its members. The committee feels that educating people with arthritis and rheumatism helps them to understand even more their condition, and therefore help them learn how to live their daily life as healthy and normal as possible. In 2014, Aram launched its first self-management course to its members, which was a great success in motivating people with RMDs. In 2016, Aram collaborated with Malta Health Promotion Directorate, and a self-management course was launched for chronic diseases. This is now managed by the Malta Health Promotion Directorate to coordinate the courses and offered to all patients on the island suffering from some kind of chronic condition. During the initial years, most of the educational programs took place at Mater Dei hospitals, daycare centres, and in different private venues. This year, Aram was given a place to hold its meeting, at the meeting place recently inaugurated by the Marigold Foundation. This proved a great asset for the association since the association did not have a place to meet. Aram thanks Mater Dei Hospital, Hilltop Gardens, and SOS for supporting them by offering a room to hold committee meetings in previous years. The association takes part in attending international conferences for patients with arthritis getting together. European League for People with Arthritis and Rheumatism, EULAR. In year 2008, at Copenhagen EULAR conference, Aram has been accepted as a member of EULAR. Our association was visited by the EULAR Standing Committee delegates to see how our association functions. This proved very positive, as our association was chosen as showcase for other countries for our excellent professional, organizational work run totally on voluntary basis. In 2011, Agora organization, which is an umbrella organization for southern countries, was launched in Malta. Aram is a member of this organization and has a representative on Agora committee. This year, Aram has another member who participates in a subcommittee for task force. This organization works together and organizes conferences for southern countries to improve the lives of people suffering from RMDs. Aram is a member of Malta Health Network and CRPD. It is registered with the Malta Voluntary Office, since it was set up in the year 2008. Since then, Aram now also have a qualified trained U-Party patient advocate and involved in U-Party and EULAR patient research partners. The association's highlight is World Arthritis Day, which is celebrated all over Europe on the 12th October internationally. Aram celebrates it on a national level every year on a day close to this date with a specific theme. Since its onset, Aram have celebrated WAD every year. This year, like last year, the theme is Don't Delay, Connect Today. Last year, the campaign was for early referral and early diagnosis and treatment for patients suffering from all types of arthritis. And this year, the campaign focuses on keeping people suffering from RMDs at the workplace. We are very honoured to hold our WAD conference Time to Work Omne Opus Work for All for this year at the Parliament House for the first time.